Hi folks! Today I'll teach you how to configure the integration between the Freshdesk ITSM tool and senhasegura. I'll log into the senhasegura tool with my credentials. And then, once I'm logged into the solution, I'll go to the Settings menu, System Parameters, and ITSM Integration. See, here I don't have any pre-existing configuration, so I'm going to add a new one. When I click on the New Configuration button, it will list me several ITSM tools in which I can perform the integration, and I will select here the desired tool, which in this case is Freshdesk. See that it asks for several fields, the name of the integration, whether it is enabled or not, and here is some information regarding the Freshdesk. In this case, my ITSM tool. It asks me for the URL of the solution, and it asks me for an API key and also a password. Since I don't have this information, I have to look for it inside Freshdesk. Well, here we go. So I'm going to log into the ITSM tool here. In my case, it's Freshdesk, right? Once I log into the Freshdesk tool, I need to find this information. I'm going to select my account here, MT4 Technology. Notice the URL. This is what senhasegura solution asks for, so I can integrate both tools. Well, here in my profile, I'll go into Profile Settings to edit my profile. And then it will show me here the API key. I'm going to copy this information, which is the information that I'll need in senhasegura. Again, here's my URL. I'm going to set it up then within senhasegura, now that I am in possession of the info. I'm going to select Freshdesk. I'm going to give the integration a name here, ITSM Integration. This integration is going to have the Yes option enabled. My URL that I collected from Freshdesk is this. This one here is my API. And here I enter my password. Done. Right after this step-by-step, your ITSM integration is done, enabled, and with the Freshdesk tool. Here in the Action menu, I have an option to make a validation to know if it was successful or not. And then it asks me for an issue code, a ticket that I have in my Freshdesk. So let's go to Freshdesk. I have an issue here that is valid, already pre-configured. As you can see here, I have this issue that is valid and is with a status open, 215766. So I'm going to come here to the senhasegura solution in the Actions menu, and I'm going to type 215766. From that moment on, senhasegura solution will be searching on Freshdesk if this ticket exists or not. You can see here that it gets back with some information about that ticket. Just to mention that the configuration was successful. That is, the integration between both tools is ready. Now I need to enable it on senhasegura in each session that I will perform. So once again, I come here in the main menu, select the Pen option, and I'm going to do this kind of configuration in my access groups. I come here in the Access group on the Side tab. I'll select for which access group I want this configuration to be valid. That is, the request for a ticket to be valid. In my case, It is the main access group. In my full access group, and here, there is the option to request a governance code, always with a justification, so I'm going to check yes. I'm going to save this configuration. And now I'm going to try to perform an access to a particular device to confirm that the configuration is indeed valid. So I come here in my credentials, select the device where I want to perform the access, and that's it. It will already open a window here for me to enter a justification. So here we go, ITSM validation. Here I select a reason. I'll put here as a change. I'm going to put any code here, probably non-existent in my ITSM, just to validate that it is in fact valid by looking for existing information in my Freshdesk tool. So I'll put here 1, 2, 3, 4. See, it doesn't allow it, because this ticket is not available in my integration. I'll put the ticket that I have here in my Freshdesk tool, which is 215766, a valid ticket now, 215766. Okay, after I put in this ticket, which is actually valid, senhasegura is going to enable me to finally log into my device.